Welcome to Bulwa, a place I proudly call home. Nestled in the western part of Cagayan de Oro City, Bulwa is a vibrant community with a rich blend of history, culture, and modernity. Bulwa is strategically located along the National Highway, making it a gateway to and from the city. It borders Bayabas to the north, Iponan to the west, and Patag to the east. Our local leaders, including our barangay captain, work tirelessly to ensure the community's development and well-being. With a population of around 40,000 people, Bulwa is a bustling hub of activity, spanning an area of approximately 10 square kilometers. It offers a mix of residential, commercial, and industrial zones. One of Bulwa's significant landmarks is the Bulwa Public Market, a vibrant place where locals gather for fresh produce, goods, and social interaction. Another notable site is the Bulwa Terminal, a crucial transport link connecting commuters to various parts of the region. Our history is rich and colorful. The St. Augustine Metropolitan Cathedral, although located in the heart of Cagayan de Oro, is deeply connected to Bulwa's Catholic community. Every year, we celebrate the feast of St. Augustine with a grand procession that sees participation from all over the barangay. Bulwa has also been home to significant events and notable personalities. One such figure is Senator Aquilino Nene Pimentel Jr., a respected statesman who once walked the streets. His legacy of public service continues to inspire many in our community. Events like the Cagayan Festival bring us together in celebration of our culture and traditions. The festival is a time of joy where music, dance, and food reflect the rich tapestry of our shared heritage. Bulwa is more than just a place on the map. It's a community of warmth, resilience, and pride. It's a place where history and modern life coexist harmoniously, creating a unique and unforgettable environment. Thank you for joining me on this journey through my beautiful home. I would like to thank the following sources for their invaluable information. For more information about Bulwa, please visit our local barangay office or website. We welcome you to experience the charm and history of our beloved community.